Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to change the Chrome home screen or the home page. So currently when you launch the home page, this is the home page layout or the screen that appears. Now instead, if you want to load any static page or your company page or business page, what you can do is you can set that using the settings option. Now first go to three dot options, go to settings, and here under the advanced, the home page, select that, and which is currently set as home, Chrome's home. Now you can just choose this radio option and enter the address. Say suppose I want to set it to my site, which is BrowserHow.com, and then if I just say OK and go to home and open any new tab, tap on this home icon, it will automatically load the home page that I have selected as set. So in this way you can set the home page or the home icon URL in your Chrome app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.